Hello students, today we are going to study maths. In this video we are studied about practice set 8.3 quadrilateral constructions and types. Question first, measures of opposite angles of a parallelogram are 3x minus 2 degree and phi x minus x degree. Find the measure of each angle. Here parallelogram PQRS is drawn. Measure of angle Q is 3x minus 2 and measure of angle S is 50 minus x. PQRS is a given parallelogram and measurement of angle Q and S means opposite angles are given. We know the properties of parallelogram. Opposite angles of a parallelogram are of equal measures or opposite angles of a parallelogram are congruent. Therefore, 3x minus 2 is equal to 50 minus x means 3x plus x is equal to 50 प्लस 2. पहा हा मायनस एक्स इकडे आणला तो प्लस झाला आणि मायनस 2 इक्वल साईनच्या पुढे नेला म्हणजे तो प्लस 2 झाला. 3x प्लस 1x 4x इज इक्वल टू 52. x इज इक्वल टू 52 अपॉन 4 इज इक्वल टू 13. Value of x is 13. Therefore, measurement of angle Q is equal to 3x minus 2 means 3 into x is 13 minus 2, 13 3 is 39 minus 2 and 39 minus 2 is 37 means angle Q, measurement of angle Q is 37 degree. Then angle S is also 37. Measurement of angle S is also 37 because opposite angles of a parallelogram are congruent. Then find the measure of angle P. Measurement of angle P plus measurement of angle Q is equal to 180 degree. Why sum of these two angle is 180? Side PS and QR are parallel lines. PQ is transversal, therefore measurement of angle P plus Q are interior angles, therefore P plus Q is equal to 180. Measure of angle Q is 37. Therefore, measurement of angle P is equal to 180 minus 37. हा प्लस क्यू तिकडे गेल्यावर मायनस होईल आणि क्यूचं मेजर आहे 37. 180 minus 37 is 143 degree. Means measures of angles are angle P is 143 degree, Q is 37, R is also 143, P and R are opposite angles and S is also 37 means measurement of angles are 37 degree, 143 degree, 37 degree and 143 degree. These are the measures of each angle of a parallelogram. Question number 2. Referring the adjacent figure of a parallelogram, write the answers of questions given below. Here W, X, Y, Z is a parallelogram. If length WZ is 4.5, WZ is 4.5, then find length XY. WZ is equal to 4.5 and calculate the length of XY. Side WZ and side XY are opposite sides of a parallelogram, and opposite sides of a parallelogram are congruent. Therefore, length XY is also 4.5 centimeter. Measure of length XY is also 4.5 centimeter. Question 2. If YZ is 8.2, YZ is 8.2, then length XW is equal to XW. YZ and XW are also opposite sides of a parallelogram. Therefore, these two sides are also congruent. Therefore, XW is equal to 8.2 centimeter. Next question. If OX is equal to 2.5, OX is given and OX is 2.5. Length of OX is 2.5, then find length OZ. We know diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other. If OX is 2.5, then OZ is also 2.5 centimeter. पहा समजते का? Diagonals of a parallelogram are congruent. Therefore, OX is 2.5, then OZ is also 2.5 centimeter. Fourth question. If length WO is equal to 3.3 centimeter, WO is 3.3, then WY is equal to WO, length WO is equal to 3.3. Therefore, length OY is also 3.3. Therefore, length WY is equal to 3.3 plus 3.3 is equal to 6.6 centimeter. Means length of WY is 6.6 centimeter. Question number 5. If measurement of angle WZY is 120 degree, then measurement of angle WXY and measurement of angle XWZ. Here measurement of angle WZY is 120. Then measurement of angle WXY is also 120. WZY and WXY are opposite angles of a parallelogram, and opposite angles of a parallelogram are congruent. To find measurement of angle XWZ, here measurement of angle XWZ plus measurement of angle WXY is 180 degree. Interior angles of a parallelogram. We know WXY is 120. Therefore, measurement of angle XWZ plus 120 is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, measurement of angle XWZ is equal to 180 minus 120 is equal to 60 degree. Measurement of angle XWZ is 60 degree. Next, question number 3. Construct a parallelogram ABCD such that length BC 7 cm, measurement of angle ABC 40 degree and length AB 3 cm. First, draw a rough figure. BC 7 cm, angle ABC is 40 degree. ABCD is a parallelogram. BC 7 cm, B is 40 degree. AB is 3 centimeter. We know opposite sides of parallelogram are congruent, therefore BC is 7 centimeter, then AD is also 7 centimeter. AB is 3 centimeter, therefore DC is also 3 centimeter. Then draw parallelogram ABCD. First we can draw segment BC of length 7 centimeter. We know measurement of angle B is 40 degree. Put protractor at point B and draw segment BX with angle 40 degree. We know length AB is 3 centimeter. Take a distance 3 centimeter in a compass. Put compass at point B and draw arc. Length AD is also 7 centimeter. Take a distance 7 centimeter in a compass. Put compass at point A and draw here arc. Then take distance 3 centimeter. Put compass at point C and draw arc intersecting to first arc and join CD and AD. Then ABCD parallelogram is ready. पहा लक्षात आले का? पहिल्यांदा BC हा 7 सेंटीमीटरचा सेगमेंट ड्रॉ करायचा. अँगल बी इज 40 डिग्री. प्रोटेक्टर या ठिकाणी बी पॉईंटवर ठेवून 40 डिग्री अँगल ड्रॉ करायचा म्हणजे रे मिळेल BX. डिस्टन्स AB 3 सेंटीमीटर आहे म्हणून कंपासमध्ये 3 सेंटीमीटर डिस्टन्स घेऊन बीवर ठेवून या ठिकाणी आर्क ड्रॉ करायचा. त्यानंतर AD आपल्याला माहीत आहे, आपण रफ डायग्राम ड्रॉ केलेली आहे. AD 7 सेंटीमीटर आहे. कंपासमध्ये 7 सेंटीमीटर डिस्टन्स घेऊन या ठिकाणी एक आर्क काढायचा. परत CD 3 सेंटीमीटर आहे. 3 सेंटीमीटर डिस्टन्स घेऊन त्या आर्कला इंटरसेक्ट करणारा दुसरा आर्क काढायचा. हा इंटरसेक्टिंग पॉईंट आणि C इंटरसेक्टिंग पॉईंट आणि A जॉईन करायचे म्हणजे आपल्याला पॅरलोग्राम ABCD मिळेल. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. रेशो ऑफ कॉन्सिक्युटिव्ह अँगल्स ऑफ अ क्वाड्रिलॅटरल is 1:2:3:4. Find the measures of each angle. Write with reason what type of a quadrilateral it is. Here quadrilateral PQRS is drawn. Its measures are 1x, 2x, 3x, 4x. Means P is x, Q is 2x, R is 3x and S is 4x. In quadrilateral PQRS, angle P, measurement of angle P plus measurement of angle Q plus measurement of angle R plus measurement of angle S is 360 degree. We know sum of measures of angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. Therefore, x degree plus 2x degree plus 3x degree plus 4x degree is equal to 360 degree. X plus 2x, 3x, 3x plus 3x, 6x, 6x plus 4x, 10x. 10x is equal to 360 degree. Therefore, x is equal to 360 upon 10. Means measurement of angle X is 36 degree. Therefore, measurement of angle P is 36 degree. Then angle Q is 2x, 2 into 36, that is 72. R is 3x, 3 into 36, that is 108. S is 4x, 4 into 36, that is 144. Means measurements are given 36 degree, 72 degree, 108 degree and 144 degree. P, Q, R and S. The measures of the angles of a quadrilateral are 36, 72, 108 and 144. Here P plus S, angle P plus angle S is 36 plus 144, 180 degree. Side PQ and SR are parallel. Since interior angles are supplementary, means P plus S are supplementary. Angle P plus angle Q, P plus Q 36 plus 72 is 108. These are not supplementary, means side PS and QR are not parallel sides. Therefore, side PS is not parallel to side QR. Since one pair of opposite sides of given quadrilateral is parallel, SR and PQ are parallel and one pair is parallel, therefore the given quadrilateral is ट्रॅपेझियम. पहा समजले का? अँगल पी आणि एसची ॲडिशन 180 होते, म्हणजे ते दोन अँगल सप्लिमेंटरी आहेत. पी आणि क्यूची केली तर ती 180 येत नाही, 108 येते, म्हणजे साईड पी एस आणि क्यू आर या पॅरलल नाहीत. लक्षात आले का? वन पेअर पॅरलल आहे आणि क्वाड्रिलॅटरल हॅव्हिंग वन पेअर इज पॅरलल, देन दिस क्वाड्रिलॅटरल इज नोन एज ट्रॅपेझियम. देअरफॉर पी क्यू आर एस इज अ ट्रॅपेझियम. Question number 5. Construct quadrilateral BARC such that BA equal length BC equal 4.2 centimeter, length AC equal 6 centimeter. Length AC means diagonally 6 centimeter. Length AR equal length CR equal 5.6 centimeter. AR and CR are 5.6 centimeter. Here rough BARC is drawn. AC is a diagonal. Measurements are here given. Then draw fair diagram. First draw segment AR with length 5.6 centimeter. We know the length of AC. Length AC is 6 centimeter. Take a distance 6 centimeter in a compass. Put compass at point A and draw arc here. Also length RC is 5.6 centimeter. Take a distance 5.6 in a compass. Put compass at point R and intersect first arc and draw these two sides AC and RC. Then BA and BC are 4.2 centimeter. Take a distance 4.2 centimeter. Put compass at point A and draw here arc. Put compass at point C and intersect this arc and join the side AB and BC. Then BARC is a ready. Next question. Construct quadrilateral PQRS such that PQ is equal to 3.5, QR is equal to 5.6, RS is 3.5, angle Q is 110, angle R is 70 degree. पहा या ठिकाणी Q आणि R ची मेजर दिलेली आहेत, अँगल Q आणि R, आणि साईड QR पण दिलेली आहे, म्हणून बेसला काय घ्यायची QR. मग इकडे P आणि इकडे S, PQRS. If it is given that quadrilateral PQRS is a parallelogram, PQRS हा पॅरलोग्राम आहे असं ते म्हणतायत. Which of the given information is unnecessary? जर PQRS हा पॅरलोग्राम असेल तर यातली कोणती इन्फॉर्मेशन अननेसेसरी आहे ते आपल्याला शोधायचं आहे. फर्स्ट ड्रॉ QR segment QR with length 5.6 centimeter. Put a protractor at point Q. Angle Q is 110 degree. Draw ray QT with measurement of angle Q is 110 degree. Then put protractor at point R. Measurement of angle R is 70 degree. Draw RV, ray RV with angle, measurement of angle R is 70 degree. Take a distance 3.5 centimeter in a compass. Put at Q and intersecting this ray. Also put at point R intersecting this ray and join these two points. Means PQRS parallelogram is here ready. If quadrilateral PQRS is a parallelogram, then the information SRQ is equal to 70 degree. PQRS जर पॅरलोग्राम असेल तर SR इज इक्वल टू 70 डिग्री देण्याची गरज नव्हती, कारण PQRS जर पॅरलोग्राम असेल, Q 110 असेल तर हा 70 आला असता, आणि हा 70 म्हणजे त्याचा अपोजिट अँगल 70, म्हणजे मेजरमेंट ऑफ अँगल R 70 देण्याची गरज नव्हती. त्यानंतर PQ इज 3.5, then RS is also 3.5. Opposite sides of parallelogram means length of RS is also unnecessary. पहा लक्षात आलं का? If given quadrilateral is parallelogram, then measurement of R, angle R is 70 degree and measurement of side SR is, length of side SR is 3.5 centimeter is unnecessary. और आता हे एक बाजूने पाहिलं आपण. दुसरं समजा हे दोन दिले असते, R 70 डिग्री आणि SR 3.5 दिला असता आणि हे 5.6 दिले असते, तर हा 70 दिला असता तर हा 110 आला असता आणि हा 110 म्हणजे त्याचा अपोजिट 110 आला असता. मीन्स measurement of angle R 70 and length SR 3.5 and length QR 5.6 is given. Then angle Q is 110 degree and length of side PQ is 3.5 centimeter is unnecessary. म्हणजे हे दोघे दिले असते तर हे अननेसेसरी आहे आणि हे दोघे दिले असते तर हे अननेसेसरी आहे, त्याची आवश्यकता नव्हती. लाईक अँड शेअर दिस व्हिडिओ. थँक्यू.